second wet. One of the things you gotta do when you're working out in the snow is be really careful you don't overheat and start sweating. I got the trails to the cars done. I gotta do Mama's car next. It's still snowing, but I put down the stuff that keeps it from freezing again. Oh man, that's bad. There we go. I don't think, yeah, my should never freeze windshield fluid juice froze. It's already, you can see it's gonna ice up on the windows again. This is my test of my brand new tires that I just got. Get a little bit of run so I can make sure I get out in the street. Oh boy, these are all terrain. They're kind of an equivalent to the Cooper AT2s. They're a different brand though. Oh, this is nice. Somebody's already been up and down this street. Oh shit, this is just controllable. So far that I've been here, this is like the worst conditions I think you can have. You've got a nice sheet of ice on the cars. Ooh, that's nice. That just gripped right in. And anyway, you got a nice thick sheet of ice on the cars and on the roads and on everything. We had a hard time opening the front door. People have been out driving in this. People are out playing in it. Nice. That's so cool. Oh man. Yeah, you've got a nice thick sheet of ice all over everything, and then it snowed. So, oh man, it is hot in here. I'm gonna moderate that temperature down just a little bit. Not bad. The Subaru kicking ass, man. These things are awesome. I love these cars. He's backing out of his driveway and not looking. He probably didn't. He didn't. He didn't clean his windows off enough. Yeah, this is great. We're fine. Also, we'll find out right now, but they said City of Wichita was going to pre-treat the main roads, which normally they do, but also KDOT said we are not going to pre-treat the highways, so we're not getting on the freeway right now. This is not bad. This is downright doable. So far, so good. Knock on wood. That's my noggin. I'm clacking on there. Uh-oh. Looks like this guy might be stuck. Oh, he probably just cleaned his windshield off there a little bit better. That's what it looks like. Testing out the four-wheel drives. Alright, there's my stop. Oh yeah. This is downright controllable. It's got a good grip on this. I think the snow's helping. I really like these tires. $650 installed for the set. I thought there were going to be more. I think. Ooh, we're sliding a little there. You feel that all-wheel drive kick in on that Subi. I have to pay real close attention to what I'm doing. There's quite a bit of crown on this road too. This is 31st Street. What I noticed all the times I was driving Uber and Lyft during these conditions, these roads are usually really easy to navigate. There's idiots being idiots. Two-wheel drive. Shouldn't be out in this. We'll have to go, you know. Hell, I'm an idiot for doing it in this car. I should be in Gringo if I really wanted to get somewhere. I just want to see how my tires do. Because there's another fun fact. If I don't go to work tomorrow, I lose 4 days of holiday pay. Oh man. couldn't afford to be off for the 2 weeks as it was. I'm going to go ahead and turn in here. What I don't want to do is come to a full stop anywhere. And since I don't have my... Oh! It's not... I see what happened. It's just that the nozzles are blocked. And again, I don't want to come to a stop if I don't absolutely have to. Ooh, this isn't bad. This is still what I'm doing is kind of dumb. You don't want to be out in it if you don't have to be, and I really don't have to be right now. I'm just kind of messing around. Ooh, tail end kicked out a little bit there. Again, that Subi all-wheel drive kicking in. That's just awesome. So the point of doing all this really isn't, I'm not going to have to clean my car off tomorrow, because I'm still going to have to do that. But now it won't be so much of a chore. It'll be a lot easier. I got to time my drive with this Jeep. I don't want to stop at that stoplight if I stop sign if I don't have to. And he's going to probably sit there and just be in my way. Alright, Jeep, off you go, 4-wheel drive. Kicking ass, taking names, do your thing. Oh, you fit. That's just what I needed, was this guy in my way. Come on, dude. You're right in the middle of the road, too. What the hell's wrong with you, man? You act like you're the only person in the whole damn world. This white truck goes, and we are off to the races. There's that stuck car again. Poor guy. Oh, look, they got out. Good for them. Okay. So, anyway, I just thought I'd quick share on that, show off the great blizzard of 2025. That's what they're calling it already. That's not that bad, really. I got family and friends that get worse snow than this on a regular basis. Of course, for here it's a big deal. Nobody knows how to drive in it. Anyway. He wasn't going to be able to get into his truck. I'm thinking what I'll do is, that car. I'm thinking what I'll do is go ahead and back in like I was. Ooh, yeah. If I can. We'll see. We'll see if that's even possible. Oh, jeez. No, I'm not going to try it, because I don't think I'll be able to. What I'm going to do is get a nice enough of a running start that I can't slide into Mama's car, but at the same time I won't get stuck in the bottom of the driveway either. I have a come along for Gringo. I don't want to have to get it out. That's not in my desired bullshit for today. There's my treads. Oh boy. slick out, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Let's do this. Oh hell yeah! I probably could have been fine. Screw it. We're gonna do this. I'm here. So I will leave all these settings as they are, and like I said, I know I'm gonna have to scrape it all off again, but those windows I don't care as long as I can get to the back, and the thing's got its own defroster and stuff, so I think we'll be fine. I'm trying to get the juice to flow through the back. Yep, there it goes. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off so I can grab my coat and run inside. I don't want to hang out in this. It's nasty. Plus, I'm going to have to go change and probably take another shower because I'm sweaty. That's bad. If you have to be out in this for any length of time, that is bad. You don't want to sweat. So, all right, guys. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a good one. Stay safe out there. It's a dangerous, dangerous world, and it's constantly trying to kill you. Someday it'll win. Not today.